y'all, it's your girl Sashie E. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be dyeing my hair. I'm just playing. I'm going to be using the hair color wax on my hair. The hair color wax that I picked up is this color. It's supposed to be red, but it kind of has a pinkish hue in my opinion. But this is it here. I did pick it up from my local beauty supply store for only $4.99, and this is the Crazy Color Hair Wax by Ashley Lee. So I'm very excited to try this out because I actually have been itching to dye my hair, but right now I'm focused more so on the health and the length of my hair. I really do want to grow my hair back, so I don't want to do anything, you know, permanently that may damage my hair in the long run. So I think this is the best way to go as of now. So as far as what I'm going to be doing with my hair, I'm gonna keep it simple. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning, so I'm just gonna keep it simple and do a twist out. And what I'll be using for my twist out is the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, and I'm also gonna add Eco Styler on top of it. This is the Argan Oil Eco Styler Gel. And as far as the instructions for this color hair wax, it says to apply to damp or wet hair, so that is what I'm going to be doing. So I think a twist out will be perfect for me right now. And I wanted to show you guys the consistency of this wax. This is how it is on my fingers. Yeah, so this is the consistency. It's like lotion, honestly. That's how it feels. So I'm going to add the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I'm going to add a little bit of Eco Styler Gel. So now for the fun part, y'all. So I'm going to take a little bit of this. So this much. Hold on. Let me get some more because I feel like I'm barely seeing anything. It looks okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and twist it up. I don't know why it looks so pink to me, but we'll see. Y'all, look at this definition that this product is giving my hair. I don't know what they put in this daggone wax, but my hair is like popping. Do y'all see these curls? Do y'all see that? I love it. Hey y'all, so I am back and I wanted to show you guys how my hair is looking. So I'm just going to do a complete spin around for you guys. So The color that I purchased was red. It stated red on the packaging, but it does look like a pinkish type, purplish type, burgundy type color. But I'm not mad at it. It doesn't look bad or anything like that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to unravel my hair. I did keep these in for 2 days, only because when I tried to take them out yesterday, they were still wet and I just did not want to sit underneath the dryer. So I was like, I'll just give it another day and then I'll do the unravel. So it is 100% dry, and what I'm going to do is I have my DIY aloe vera oil right here. I'm just going to add a little bit of this to my hands and then I'm going to proceed to unravel. So this is how the first one looks. Very defined. So I'm just going to keep on going. Wow, I like this. So there is some transfer going on. And a little bit on my clothes, but it's not too bad. Alright guys, so this is my hair. This is how it's looking after unraveling the twist. What do you guys think about the color? I do like it a lot. I think it looks pretty good. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to separate my hair a little bit more, and I'm going to also use my pick to just give it a little bit more volume. I usually stretch my hair when I do twist outs and so forth, but for this look I don't want to. I kind of want a shorter type look. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. I'll be right back. Guys, so I am back and I'm here to show you guys the final results of using the hair color wax in my hair. So I was expecting it to be red but instead I got burgundy, and I'm not mad at it, you guys. It looks pretty good. It's very subtle, but it's definitely a change. Especially in person, you can see that my hair looks burgundy and I like it. Let me know if you guys are feeling it though. Let me know if you guys think this is a good look for me, a good color for me, and also let me know if you guys think I should try another color. I really did like the way this product made my hair feel. I know that it is a color hair wax, but it felt like a lotion, and my twist out is so soft. There is absolutely no crunch to my hair, and y'all know I did use a little bit of Eco Styler, so I was expecting a little bit of a crunch, but I don't have any crunch, and I think it is because of this product. So I'm gonna give you guys a spin around so you guys can see how the entire thing looks. And if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to let me know what you think. Also, don't forget to subscribe, guys, and turn on your notification bell. I do post every Sundays and Thursdays at noon, and I am on Instagram at SashieE.tv. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!